Spray painting. Do you know that we can make art out of a lot of things around us? Let us make this masterpiece together with some leaves. You will need toothbrush, leaves of different shapes, poster paints. Collect leaves from the garden and place them on the page. Pour paints of different colors. Add a little water to each of the colors. Dip the toothbrush, bristle side down, in the paint. Use your fingers to spray the paint over the leaves. Repeat with other colors. Allow it to dry for 10 minutes. Gently lift all the leaves. The beautiful spray painting is ready.